Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning, October 16th, and today I plan on just basically doing some party prep for our Halloween party next weekend. So I will be back doing stuff in the yard, cleaning out our detached garage, decorating, just making sure everything is looking good. And then I have also some housework and laundry and stuff like that to catch up on. So if you watched yesterday's video, we ended up spending our night at Brandon's college, Emily's boyfriend Brandon. We ended up bringing them back to his college last night, and we hung out there for a while and had dinner and stuff, which was a lot of fun. And now she's not going to be back again until next weekend in time for the party. So I'm glad that we were able to do that last night. And that's going to be it. I am going to get moving because I kind of have a lot on my agenda today. So me and Jim just got back from Lowe's. We ended up getting some lighting for the backyard as well as some plants, just mums and things to put around. So that was good. Now I can really get into the fun part and just kind of set up and decorate. But Lowe's had all of their Christmas stuff out already, and it was really nice to look at, but also I feel like it's so early, but that's always the case. But yeah, they did have all of their Christmas stuff out already, which is crazy. And I am going to bring you out into the backyard and just show you some of the things that we picked up today. So we have a bunch of mums. We picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mums, but one is actually going to be a gift for a friend of mine, and a couple of pumpkins. Leo is very interested in the mums for some reason. I really like these. They're like multicolored, so I thought they were really cool. And I'm going to put them around the yard. And then we picked up some lighting fixtures. Of course, the dogs are going to be all in my business right now. So these I thought were cool. They're solar activated globes. I thought they would be fun to just put around the yard. They were on sale actually for like $3 and change, which I thought was a really good deal. And then we have 2 of these post cap lamps, lights, whatever they're called. They're also solar activated, so hopefully they work. I'm going to put them on our deck. And then we have these that will go in our walkway. And then we picked up one of these spotlights just to spotlight one of our trees. And then we're going to do the thing where we have the lights just strung across an area of the backyard, probably over by the fire pit. So we have some fun projects ahead of us with all of this lighting and the plants. And Jim is making pulled pork. The dogs got into the bin that catches all of the grease, and they're all greasy now after getting groomed the other day. Also, Leo will not let Chester keep his bandana on. There he goes. He took the bandana off. It lasted like 2 minutes. Leo, stop taking off his bandana. What happened, Chester? Where'd it go? Where's your bandana? I think he's freaking out about the leaves falling. Look at him. He's so confused. He's trying to catch them. That is too funny. It is pouring out, and I made the mistake of forgetting to bring in all these cushions, which is really upsetting because I had planned on bringing them in today to dry off for next weekend, and now they're going to be super wet. So I guess my work outside is done for the day because it is pouring, and not only is it raining really hard, the wind is really intense. So I'm glad I got some stuff done, and the good thing is I don't have to water the mums because they're getting a really good watering right now. But again, the cushions I just didn't get them in shelter. I just didn't get them under coverage in time, but whatever, it is what it is. Hopefully we have a sunny week and I'll be able to dry them out for next weekend. So tonight, Jim is actually off at a 50th birthday party, and me and Madison are going to be home. I think we're just going to watch some Halloween movies and hang out. I'm going to do a little bit around the house. I'm making dinner now. We're just having the pulled pork that Jim made already, and I'm making some sweet potatoes, and I'll throw in a vegetable or something with that. And that is what's going on. It's not really a very eventful Saturday. I was just kind of trying to get stuff done around the house all day, so we were pretty productive, so that's good. Just want to show you how fierce the wind is. Do you see these trees blowing? It is so crazy out there. And I am likely going to have to drive Patrick to work soon. I'm hoping this passes. This made me so happy. Jim was at the store before and he saw this Life magazine about the 50th anniversary of Disney. And if you guys have watched my Disney, it was like the history of Disney World 50th anniversary video, I shared with you guys the original Time Life magazine when Disney World first opened from 1971, October of 1971. So it's really nice to have this commemorative Life magazine from this year, and there's really great photos and stuff in here, and it was just a nice surprise. So I'm really excited to have it and to read these articles. Look at these pictures. Really amazing. I'll probably look through this tonight. Dinner is ready. It's just me and Madison tonight, and we are having sweet potato, broccoli, and pulled pork. And these guys need to eat. Leo with his very greasy face. Madison's been working on designing a home screen for her phone. She wants to show you guys. It's super cool.
So this is the lock screen.
Nice. That is very cool, Madison. You're such a good phone designer. Very nice. Don't people like sell things like that, like wallpapers and stuff for phones? Isn't that a thing? No? I don't know. Leo. No, you are not getting my pulled pork. The pulled pork was really good, wasn't it, that Daddy made? I thought it was delicious. Chester would like to know how good the pulled pork was, but they're not getting any. So tonight, I think we're gonna do a Halloween movie night, and Madison just had a really good idea.
Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen. So I think we're gonna clean up dinner and go get some ice cream. He loves having his nose patted. And then we will watch a movie. I don't know what yet. We're gonna look on Disney Plus. They have some really good Halloween movies. Definitely a Halloween movie. Guess what I'm doing, guys? Just gonna finish up this laundry, and then I think we're gonna head out for ice cream in a little bit. So it was a really good day. I got a lot of stuff done in the yard, and I'm excited now that we're going out for ice cream. I have been craving Dairy Queen for a couple of weeks now, and I'm really excited to have ice cream and watch Halloween movies. To me, that is like the perfect Saturday night. I am the type of person who loves to just sit in, relax, and just enjoy the night. I had some things to do tonight to set up for the vendor event that I have tomorrow. So I took a lot of time coordinating just like the brochures, and I had to print some things out, and I just had a lot of busy work to do with that as well. So I was glad that I had the time to get that taken care of, because tomorrow I'm going to be doing the vendor brunch that I made that basket for. If you guys were watching earlier in the week, I have a Disney themed basket that I'm giving away. So that was fun putting together. I love putting together gift baskets, especially when they're themed up. I just think that's always a fun way of gift giving. So that'll be good, and I'll see a lot of my friends there too, and I have other friends who are also selling things, so it'll be good to do a little bit of Christmas shopping possibly tomorrow as well. So I'm looking forward to getting a little bit of a head start on some Christmas shopping. That'll be a good thing. All right, we are going to head out now and pick up our ice cream and find a fun Halloween movie to watch. We just picked up our ice cream, and I got the Drumstick Blizzard, which is really good. It's been my go-to at Dairy Queen lately. And Madison, poor Madison, got a chocolate cone, and they put it in a cup. So basically, the ice cream is still in the cup and just a little bit on the cone. And we are getting ready to pick out our Halloween movie of the night. What's it gonna be?
Corpse Bride.
Corpse Bride. That's a good one. Let's see if they have it, hopefully. Yep, there it is. All right, so we're gonna have some ice cream and watch The Corpse Bride. We just finished watching The Corpse Bride. Such a good movie. I love all of the Tim Burton movies, especially around Halloween time. So that's gonna be it for tonight, and I'm going to get ready for bed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night.